Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is Monday, the 4th of April of 2022, and we're back for yet another stream. The last stream we did was a 12-hour stream. Oh, I was so tired after that. I ended stream and I basically just like went to bed and immediately passed out. I started watching a YouTube video and woke up with woke up with the video finished, and it was like an hour-long video, and I only remember 3 minutes of it. So yeah, I passed the fuck out. And Sunday I recorded. I don't know. That's basically all I did. But anyway, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? The plan is to finish up some of the stuff that we were going to do during the 12-hour stream, but then didn't. We'll also be taking a look at auto update day, which is, I believe, in progress at the moment. And that should finish up by the time stream ends, hopefully. But yeah, that's the plan. Let me say hi to everyone who is here, and then we'll jump into stuff as we do. Cran PL was first today. Hello. Welcome. John NV1 was here before the stream started. Ethan has resubbed at 32 months. Holy shit. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. And I guess that means you're going to be at PyCon. I'm going to be at PyCon as well. I think I'm going to make some stickers. Maybe? Should I make some stickers? I was thinking making some pre-commit stickers. Maybe we could do some Twitch emote stickers too. What do you think of that, chat? Stickers are kind of expensive. I was looking at this is the website. This was like the cheapest one that I could find that pretty much everyone uses. And I think I would be doing die cut stickers, which are probably even more expensive, but I was looking at these, and if I was going to do 100, it's going to cost almost $1 a sticker, which, like, it's fine. It's like nothing, but I mean, it's not nothing, but I don't know. I was thinking of making stickers. See what we can do there. But let me say hi to the rest of the people who are here. Drunk Time Lord is also here. Light Josa, hello, welcome back. Darkness's friend, how's it going? Haven't seen you in a while. Welcome back. Force Penguin says fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are right, fifth. Static Public Void Main says, hey Andy, thanks for the great tips in today's video. Yeah, I'm glad you enjoyed them. I go over this on stream every once in a while and figured, you know what, fuck it, I'll I'll make the actual video of it. So it's the 10 pro tips, the video form of this wiki page. So yeah, that one's finally out there. Drunk Timer says, did you see Python on our place? We teamed up with the Netherlands folks. I have not taken a look at our place. I don't really go on Reddit anymore. I haven't been on Reddit in like 8 years, 9 years. I realized that when I was viewing Reddit a lot, I was just kind of mindlessly scrolling and not really getting any thoughts out of it. I wasn't really learning anything. I wasn't really keeping up to date with, you know, news. It was mostly just like mindless recycled memes. And so I just like stopped going on Reddit one day, and I haven't really missed it, to be honest. But I have heard about our place. Our place is basically the $1 million homepage, but reinvented, which is kind of nifty. Although it's competitive and not money, so it's kind of neat. Hey, what's up, Dib? I don't know how you want me to say your name. I think I've said it differently every single time. My brain says Debe, but it might be Deeb. I don't know. You'll have to tell me. Welcome. Good to see you again. Harry says, is the Zapier bot in my bot in Discord? No, Zapier is a service. I did set it up. but they are a company where they basically, and not sponsored, they basically let you hook up syncs and triggers to all sorts of different services. And so what you're talking about is in the pre-commit channel. There's bot replies that link to Stack Overflow posts whenever those get posted. I don't quite remember how it works. I'm pretty sure it goes here and there's like an RSS feed on here. Yeah. So it links up to this feed here. Oh no, I don't know. No, don't download it. I wanted it to show the XML. Anyway, it gets the RSS feed and then hooks that up to Dixord, and that's how that works. Not my bot though, but there's an entire company around it. Transylvania Boy says, "What is your opinion on ultra wide monitors?" Well, I don't have one. This is my setup. Like the curved monitors, I feel like they're expensive for no reason. I'm perfectly okay having bars in between my screens. Hey, what's up, Cyberbunny? Hello. And John NV1. How's it going? Elfenrod. Good to see you again. Bonk Cyberbunny. That's fair. That's fair. Fixture Jake. Hello. Make carpet stickers. Yeah, I have been specifically requesting the high-res versions of my emotes such that I could make stickers from them. I don't have the noodle ones though. I don't know if we would be able to, like, the highest res I have is 112 for noodle. Noodle will be a little bit tricky. But we have you know, bongo umbreon. So this could be a sticker too. Could be a thing. And I do have this one in high res. So I could do any of these ones as stickers. As well. And I could do the Python. I think the Python would probably be the go-to for the stickers. I would kill for a Python sticker. Okay, we can probably make Python stickers then. Static Public Void Main says, "Where does the GitHub shirt come from?" I have several GitHub shirts. I think I purchased this one. But this was from GitHub Universe 2019. When did I go there? I have a photo. Let me see if I can find a photo. My brick. Photos. Literally never go on here. Oh yeah, here we go. 2019. How do I view full size? Why have they changed how full screen? No, I don't want that. Download? I guess I can just open image in new tab. I won't get the full res. But here's me at GitHub Universe in 2019. I GitHub actually so GitHub gave out tickets to the top 100 open source contributors that year for some reason, and apparently I was like number 92 or something like that. So they gave me a free ticket to Universe. I happen to also be in San Francisco, so it was cheap for them. They didn't have to pay for like flights or anything, or I didn't have to pay for flights or anything. But I think I bought this shirt there. But GitHub has also given me a bunch of shirts from either speaking, because I spoke at GitHub Universe last year, or being on their podcast, or writing a blog post, or a whole bunch of other stuff that I've done for them. I have a bunch of GitHub shirts. Evil Gordita, hello, welcome. Oops, I clicked on your name. Didn't mean to do that. Clylo, welcome back. Also love a pre-commit sticker as well, of course. Yeah, pre-commit stickers are gonna be pretty cool. Ghost Steve says, "What is the best way to keep up with tech?" Oh, I don't know. As much as I hate Twitter, I feel like Twitter has a lot of tech keeping up possibility things. Okay, I gotta copy this message so that I know what to block. Then I'm going to block this person. And don't click on the link. Don't click on the link, chat. Your mind is telling you good? Okay, so it's Debe? Okay, I'll go with Debe. Cool. Awesome. Perfect. Zapier is a competitor to my company, and this is garbage, says details. Nice. I'm Garain. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Well, how do I get your company to replace my bot? Zayshin. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. We have no free tier. Oh, okay. Well, then there you go. 21.9 is the perfect aspect ratio. They're expensive because they're harder to manufacture, but like, why do curved panels? Yeah, I feel like curved panels are just like, eh. I'm Grain says, what are we making today? We're gonna be going through some of the all of our stream ideas that I didn't finish. We got a whole bunch of things to do here. We're also gonna be looking at the pre-commit CI auto update, which I believe is in progress at the moment. Dashboards auto update. Yes, not quite done yet. Been a little bit slower today. I don't really know why that is. So we had a big spike here. GitHub had a mini outage today that they didn't report. That pre-commit CI noticed very, very easily. Etailan, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Sorry if I mispronounced your name, but welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're having a good day. Waifu 2x your noodles. What? Why are you waifuing my noodles, Drunk Time Lord? That's what? Alkafungulistic booty wham. Hello, hello. I see wide monitors like super large hard drives. I'd rather have 2 smaller ones in case one fails. Oh, that's fair. Yeah, it's a big LPT. Hello, hello. I hope Sentry is sending you to PyCon and they pay for everything. Yes, so about that. So at Stripe, I was like, hey, I want to go to PyCon. And they're like, I don't think we can fund that. I was like, fine, all right, whatever. But Sentry, they reached out to me and were like, hey, we have a ticket with your name on it. Do you want to go to PyCon? And I was like, yeah, I'll go. I like going to PyCon, but I don't know if I can rationalize the full cost, because it's like, you know, the flights, hotels, and everything. It's like $2,000 or $3,000, which I mean is a lot to. I mean, it's nice to see everyone in the Python community and hang out and do that sort of thing, and you know the talks are nice too, and the hallway sessions are cool, and you know getting to see some of you is cool. But with the risk profile and paying for it, I was like, oh, I'm not going to go this year. But I'm now going, so I will be at PyCon US, and hopefully I'll see some of you there. Color Marku, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you again. I wonder who number 1 is. Probably a bot, to be honest, but yeah. Imagine being the top 100 coders can't be me. I mean, some of it was probably just, you know, all repos doing my work for me, but probably Jericho. Oh no. What do you think of the book Clean Code and Uncle Bob? Uncle Bob is a terrible person, so I pretty much discredit their book. Also, Clean Code is a dumb idea. Like there's no way to say code is clean or not. Well, you could just say all code is bad, and that's probably more realistic. But yeah, I would not recommend anything related to Uncle Bob. There's Reddit. Well, I don't go on Reddit. How's it going, Dodo? Good to see you again. Twitter, you follow the right people? Yeah. I clicked on the link and now my computer runs Windows. Yeah, but your computer ran Windows before. Hey, what's up, JJMC? Hello, hello. I missed the start stream. Did the Zapier integration break, or are they charging more money for things? Oh no, someone just asked if I wrote that bot, and I was like, no. I could have, but I didn't. Like I only use it for literally one thing, which is the Stack Overflow to Dixord, and I could write a little lambda which does the same thing. But Mob Tilt, hello, welcome. I mentioned a week of freedom. I mean, I've had like 5 in the last 7 weeks, so. Rixes, hello, welcome back. Or Rizix, as I like to say. Rob256, welcome. 5v2x is a neural net that upscales photos. I see. Originally made to upscale waifu images, of course. Yeah, makes sense. Marsma, hello. That was a 12-hour stream. Went well. I was very tired afterwards, but am I gonna do a conference talk? So conference, the like talk slots filled up, way long ago. But I am gonna try and do some lightning talks, maybe. These are my current ideas. I'm basically just gonna take ideas from my YouTube videos, and anything that'll fit into 5 minutes, I'll try and apply to do a lightning talk or 2 or 3 or 5. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm gonna try and do some lightning talks. Mr. Singh, hello. 3K. I mean, like, you stay in a hotel for 5 days. That's like 1,000 there. Conference ticket. I don't know how much the conference ticket is. Can't expect too expensive. And then there's flight and food and everything else that the costs add up. But I'm gonna expense it all, so it's all good. Python chat, meet Anthony, become a Python tooling group. Yeah, exactly. Mr. Singh says almost sleep time. Well, I'm glad you stopped by. I would go to PyCon US, but the cost of travel to the US is huge for Poland. Yeah. Demi says Stripe video when? Wednesday. Wednesday will be the spicy video. Also, I'm probably gonna change the thumbnail so it's more clickbaity, but I have this thumbnail from another video that I'm probably just gonna slightly alter that Shaz put together. Where is it? This one. We're gonna slightly edit this thumbnail. Guess it'll be funny. And I think people will click on it, but PyCon Italy still has late tickets? Yeah, that would be cool. 400 for individual? Yeah, that's everything else is beer. Yeah. Ethan says, sadly gotta get back to work. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Good to see you as well. Drama video? I mean, it's not really drama. It's nothing new that I haven't told you guys already. Okay, let's ban this phrase so that I don't get more of these shitty bots. Content. Oh, where the fuck is this? Settings? Moderation? Yeah, surely it's in moderation. Cry Wolfie, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Ban chatters? No. Phrases? There are 2 permitted phrases. Apparently Automod thought that, oh man, that's so French. And Guido. These are my allowed phrases at the moment. That's pretty funny. Blocked terms and phrases. Here we go. What do I want to block out of this? Remove the space? That's probably something no one would ever say, right? Move the space. And we'll do best followers as well. Okay. That should hopefully get rid of those bots. Do you suggest any book for learning React.js? Well, I don't read books, and I have not done too much React. So I unfortunately don't have any recommendations there. What's keyboard? You're trying to trigger the bot here. It did work, Keller Marku. Okay, get rid of this. Okay, what are we gonna do first? So I guess we can just start doing stuff that we did before. I realized this morning that I forgot to document any of the new changes in pre-commit 2.18. So let's do that real quick. I don't read books yet. Usually I just say I don't know how to read, which is, you know, definitely false. Why is this repo so big? 19 megs? Oh, probably from probably from this. Yep. 100% from this. What's in node modules though? Oh, a whole bunch of shit. Huh. Weird. I feel like that didn't used to be that way. How does this thing work? Yeah, it just scoops up node modules. Weird. In theory, it could just... Well, it doesn't even need that either. What does it need node modules for? Curious what happens if I delete it. Log dash p dash capital G node modules. Node modules. I feel like that's not needed. Let's see, if I load the website and I view source, there's no references to node modules in here. There's the reference to the build directory. Let's try and remove it. I think we can get rid of this. Uh, 12-hour stream. Yeah, we did a 12-hour stream on Saturday. Do you read cards instead of books? No, I just don't know how to read. You know, 70 books and I've read like 2. I think I've read 1 programming book. Which is this book. The 2nd edition. I read the 2nd edition of this book. I'm supposed to be getting a copy of it at some point. But yes. I've read this book. This is the only programming book I've ever read. I've also read 1 chapter of I read 1 chapter of another book. I don't remember what the book was called. But there was only 1 like chapter that was relevant to me, so that was the only one I read. Andrew Costa, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Oramus, good to see you again. What's in node modules is not a question worth figuring out. I wonder if JS does run out of inodes? Maybe. Eldener, hello, hello. Do you take your keyboard to work or do you use another one there? I use a different keyboard at work. I use this keyboard at work. I have two of these. So I use the other one at work. But I do use a different keyboard. Oh, did I forget to do set today? Shit. Fuck. That's why you're asking about 12-hour. Working on MISC open source Python. And checking the pre-commit CI auto update. Sorry about that. I knew I forgot something. I always forget something. Is it good, the PyTest book? Yeah, it's pretty good. I like the first edition. I heard the second edition is much better. Yeah, I bought it. I've bought a copy of the first edition. Never read the first edition, but I did. I reviewed the entire second edition, so I'm intimately familiar with it. Parse it. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. I asked about the 12-hour because that's the name of your to-do list. Oh yeah. This is what we got through on during the actual 12-hour stream. We baked cookies, we played Minecraft, we fixed the Dead Snakes Nightly build, we fixed casing and set up CFG format, we implemented default install hook types, we released precommit, we fixed the auto updater to handle the new precommit logic, and we upgraded precommit and precommit CI. That's what we accomplished. When do I start at Sentry? Next week, 1 week from today. Which I hope I get a laptop at some point, because I don't have one yet. That seems kind of important. Al Gore, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. What's your verdict on the PyTest book? Is it worth buying? Yeah, I think so. The funny thing about the book though is while reviewing some chapters, I was like, you know, you don't need to do this. You can just do this thing instead. And Brian was like, this changes everything. I've been doing it wrong this whole time. There's not going to be a VOD for the 12-hour stream, so I have. So I tried to upload it to YouTube. I have the VOD. Like, I have the VOD here. And you know, this is the whole fucking stream. We have the full VOD here. But YouTube doesn't allow videos that are 12 hours plus. So I could split the video and upload it in 2 parts, but that's gonna take like 6 hours of encoding. I don't really necessarily want to do that. But I could upload the video, but I haven't done that yet. It's at least on Twitch VOD, so you can watch the Twitch VOD. Hey, what's up, Stonefish? Hello, hello. Supply chain issues means no laptop until you get to PyCon. That'd be pretty wild. Just like, you know, work for 2.5 weeks until I get my laptop. Al Gore says, the 12-hour stream is awesome. Team Shoddy. Yeah, indeed. Team Shoddy. Raycan says, why don't LRU cache methods? I'm glad you asked. I have a video that exactly answers that question. Hey, what's up, Ezra Flag? Hello, hello. YouTube allows up to 24 hours. What are you talking about? It must just be that this file is too big. Because it's 26 gigs. I don't know. I uploaded and it's like, this video is too long. Yeah, it's 26 gigabytes. So maybe that's why. Chat could 6-hour encode it for you. I think the amount of bandwidth and time to upload it to somebody to re-encode it is not worth it. That's gonna take 6 hours anyway. But yeah. If only if it's a live stream, uploaded is limited to 12 hours. Oh, yeah, well, that makes sense then. Owen Codes, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. My man, what's good, bro? Just did my first for loop in Python. On to while loops now. Nice, nice. Soon you'll be soon you'll be writing big, terrible programs in Python. I think even live streams, YouTubes are limited to 12 hours now. VLC is an x265 encoding drag and drop. Yeah, I mean, I would just use my editor. That's even easier. You have gigabyte, I have gigabyte. That transfer would only take like 20 minutes. Just drop me a torrent link. Whereas it says, I have a strange question about virtual live. In my current work on one of the stations I use, I have blocked access to execute the activate script. Is there a way to bypass the activate script? Yeah, the activate script doesn't really do anything. Also, usually don't run it. Usually you source it. But here, I'll show you the exact equivalent of an activate. I think my video also goes over this. So, say you've made a virtual live. This is the first step of virtualenv, which is at the PS1, and then the other one is this. That's all. This is all virtualenv activation does. I guess it also sets this. But this is like, these two are optional. This is the important part about virtualenv. That's all you really need. And then, you know, pip install, and it'll install into the virtualenv for you. That's basically it. That's all virtualenv really does. Of course, it also installs a shell script to deactivate, but you probably don't care about that, hopefully. They switched to Java and contributed JUnit instead. No. FFmpeg can split videos without re-encoding. Yeah, it can, except the when you split without re-encoding, there's corruption at the split point. But I do know about this. Yeah, I've used it before. You can split it exactly a keyframe and then it'll work, but finding the option for that is a pain in the butt. And it still takes, you know, a couple minutes to do that. It's a Windows machine, but even on Windows you don't execute the activate script. I guess you do for the batch version of it, because batch files mutate their environment, which to me. Thoughts on virtualenv wrapper? I don't like it or use it, but I show you how it works here because someone was curious. But I don't use it. I think it's unnecessary. Why worry about virtualenv versus VM when you can just virtualenv VM? Yeah, exactly. You changed your PS1 format? What do you mean? What? I was just showing what it was like, what the virtualenv script does. Is pip free use bad practice for requirements? Fine for me. Marcusa is gonna go do an interview. See you nerds and mix. Sounds good. Sounds good. And you can't run a batch file. Talking about Java, you've seen Fireships April 1st. I have not. I basically turn off the internet April 1st and then turn it back on April 3rd. Or April 2nd or whatever. It's in our docs at work as the correct way to set things up, and that makes me sad. Oh no. Hey, what's up, Easy Light? Hello, hello. The $sign was on the same line as the remaining info, and now it's on a new line. Oh, I did this years ago. I did this years ago. Are you saying that when I did this that it didn't work? This not work? Worked fine. I did this years ago, Varsit. It's been like this for a long time. I did this specifically for stream. Actually, I'm pretty sure I did this before recorded VODs. Like if we go back to like the very first stream video, this is gonna be a blast from the past. You ready, chat? The old stream playlist, 2019, January 30th. See what it is here. Yeah, even in this video, I have that same PS1. I mean, same. I've changed the title. But you can see I talked with chat a lot less here. But still, basically, I mean, similar format. I've fixed at least the boundaries, so you can't really tell it's a virtual machine anymore. You know, old Nano, Ubuntu 18.04. Oh shit! No fucking way. So funny thing about this issue comment that I'm making right now in this video, I just fixed this bug like last week. So it's been 3 years and change, and I finally fixed the bug. Oh, that's kind of funny. Can I link it? Yeah. Links are enabled in chat. I use virtual env wrapper a lot for 7 or 8 years. Now just virtual env, worst thing about it is you need to add it to your shell and it slows the startup time. Yeah. I just find it unnecessary. You do probably everything with virtual env and the code stays in the same place as the code base, so graphing and searching is pretty convenient. Yeah, exactly. Is this the one you go to W3 schools? I don't know. Probably not. I don't think I had that meme at that point. I think it started from either Mewtwo or Juicebox Hero going to it and being like, ah, you open W3 schools, take a drink. And then it became chat tricks me into using W3 schools sort of thing. 2204 soon? Yeah, in a couple weeks. User local bin virtual wrapper.sh. Oh. Do you even use GitLab anymore? I don't have anything on GitLab anymore. Nope. I do not. Heard from someone on an interview that pip freeze is bad practice, but didn't go into further detail. Sounds like you should ignore anything that person has ever said, because they don't know what the fuck they're talking about. They're probably like, oh, you should use pipenv in poetry and other shit. When you don't need it, you can just use pip freeze or pip tools. Either of those work great, and you don't need to pull in some giant opinionated buggy framework. It's not secure enough. Yeah, I mean, you could improve it with hashes, or you could have a private index. But I wouldn't say it's a bad practice or incorrect to use it. Works just fine. Okay. Right. We were seeing if I could remove node modules and see what breaks. Does the website still work without node modules? Yeah, fuck it. We're just gonna break the live site. What could go wrong? Does breakman.ci have the same problem? I know the code for both of them is basically the same. This doesn't include it, so I probably don't need it. This also doesn't build. Maybe it does? We'll find out. We will find out. Oh, I guess I could look at the network tab. Fact network. Refresh. How do I view the? Here we go. Does this show full paths or is this base name? The fuck tried to load here? Oh, Twitter bullshit. Okay. Interesting. Like comes from a CDN. That is Cloudflare shit. Comes out of the build directory. Yeah, I don't think any of this is from Node. Cool. How's the job at Sentry.Indian Ocean? I don't start until next week. But how you doing, Marsha? Good to see you again. Yeah. I can't remember why it was there, but I'm sure it was necessary at some point, but no longer is. Best commit message, but I also don't care. That actually won't make the Git repo smaller, but it will make the branch faster. Yes, it is still a banned word, Drunk Time Lord. Are you just relaxing at home and being nerdy? It's true. It's true. Southpaw Decoy, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Make goes burr. File? Yeah, I should block that too, right? You have more pre-commit CI auto updates. Two. One still building. Dude. Probably just because there's a lot of load. Okay, let's merge this and see if it breaks the website. Hopefully not. If it does, oh well, whatever. Hey, what's up, Exonity? Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Did I make the 420 video? I have not recorded it yet, but I can still record it this weekend and time it properly. I did record the 2 spacer videos, so we will get explains number 420 about PEP 420 landing on April 20th. So we'll get the trifecta, the 420 trifecta. It's a Tarfoon. Hello, hello. Or a calculator in Python. Is it like my first calculator? Hey, what's up, Daydreamed? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Well, we can actually just click on this graph and see why. No, the queue's not that deep. Must just be deep enough. We are scaled up. That's common. See, usually it scales down throughout the auto update, but we never actually get back to the original value here. Interesting. Okay, in theory it has pushed. Blah should be 242,000 deletions. Yeah. About that. There have been 853 commits here. I wonder how many of them have node models. History node modules. Oh boy, a lot of them. Mistakes were made. Oh well, we're fixing them now though. Alright, refresh. Page still seems to work. It's kind of weird. I guess because it's supposed to be indented. Yeah, seems fine. Hey, what's up, J-Man? Hello, hello. Where did I get this? At GitHub Universe. Why is there a gap in the graph? Because AWS is shitty. I don't know. I don't know why there's a gap in the graph. I think there's anything I can do about it. Yeah, pip compile is pretty nice. 800 commits. Imagine one commit with 60,000 lines of diff. Well, we just did 260,000 lines diff. I blame CSS or SVGs. Yeah, it's almost certainly CSS. I don't know any other reason why I would npm install something. But website appears to work without it, so seems good to me. Seems good to me. Is it scaling resources? So the blue and green line, I guess the green line is the auto scaling. The orange line is the queue, and this blue line is the auto update queue. This is the run queue, is the auto update queue. There's basically this shows how the progress, and this shows how the system scales. In theory, I could probably increase the ceiling on scaling here. Although this GitHub had like a mini outage today, so edit create requirements.in. Usually that's manually managed with your minimal dependencies for whatever your project is. The blue line is actually a shark, yeah. Yes, the blue line is a shark. 100%. Yep, definitely. That is what it be. Okay. We recently rewrote this script. Ooh, it has better output now. Nice. Did we do that on the 12-hour stream? Maybe not. Before. 3 commits 218. Nope, that's 219. 218. Alright, what actually changed that I have to document? I know there was something. Change log. I don't think this is anywhere. Nope. There is not anything there. Oh, whoever wrote this had a slightly wider terminal. Oh. I'm gonna re-indent it. Just this one's the right length. I don't know why that first one isn't. New in 2.18.0. It now supports your image manager. Cool. Stonkfish says, every time I watch a stream you say GitHub has an outage day. Yeah, it's pretty true. It's, you know, days ending in Y. Bunny noises. Why am I making what? What? Bunny noises? Okay, so we did that. Not worth calling out. This one is auto update. I should renumber these to the third order. Auto update. So the bleeding edge of the default branch instead of the latest tagged version, the default version. Default. Right. I don't know why this is getting highlighted funny. Maybe because it thinks it's a link, but it's not. Wait, how does that render? Does that render as the empty string on the website? Nope, it renders fine. It's just a bug in the editor. Buns being buns, I see. Manflash says, have you done functional programming? You mean like a functional programming language, or do you mean functional programming in multi-paradigm languages? Elias GPS, thank you for the follow. Welcome. I have not written any code in a functional only language beyond like the Hello World and Haskell, but I don't think that counts. I did Hello World and F# also. He only does dysfunctional programming, yeah. Like a real language. That's funny, Mad Flash. All the other languages are fake. Yep, 100%. New in 2.18.0. It will their ties. Mr. Last Wayne, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. A real language like French. Yeah. Exactly. Okay, this is the only other thing to do there. Language versions. Oh, that'll also have to be in the install. This. Default install hook types. Top level default install hook types. Oh, quite the mouthful. Oh yeah, you guys can't see this. Shit. We don't need this anymore. Don't say French? Yeah. When do you think 2718 will really die? I think the unfortunate thing is I think Jammy still includes 2.7. What is that syntax? I've never seen that before. Which syntax? Which thing? Oh, this? I invented this syntax. Yeah. I made this syntax up because markdown tables fucking suck. Markdown tables are the worst thing ever. So I wrote my own row, column, table syntax. Because I fucking hate markdown tables. Anthong is a big nerd. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Can't use them in GitHub? Nope. Sadly not. Right? Isn't this so much better than fucking markdown tables? Just use HTML? Yeah, you can just use HTML tables. HTML tables are almost better than... No, I think they are better than markdown tables. Markdown tables suck. Optional default recommit. A list of hook types which will be used by default when running recommit install. Ian the Postmanot, thank you for the raid. Welcome, welcome. Give you a shout out so that my viewers can check you out. My name is Anthony. I primarily work on a bunch of open source Python stuff. Some of the things that I maintain that you may have heard of are PyTest, Talks, Precommit, Flake8, PyFlakes, Dead Snakes, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Today we are working through a bunch of things that I had planned to do during my 12-hour stream on Saturday, but we did not get to. So I'm just basically doing some open source stuff. We're also waiting for my startup to finish its weekly upgrade of things. Got 700 things to go of 6,000, so it should be done pretty soon, and then we'll take a look at all the statistics of that. But welcome to the Stream Raiders. Hopefully you had a cool stream. I was working on a jukebox audio player. Oh, that sounds fun. Oh, you work at Postman. Oh, cool. Nice. Welcome, welcome. Dead Snakes, is that a beer? That'd be a sick beer though, right? Is the render open source? Yes. It's been committed to several of my repos. Everything he does is open source. That's not entirely true. Is Ren prettier over the markdown tables? No. I'm pretty sure you can't do some of the stuff I'm doing in markdown anyway. Like, I don't think you can have a multi-line block inside of a markdown table. At least I don't know of something that does that. But yeah. But yeah, my startup? Yes, my startup. Pre-commit CI. Indeed, indeed. This should link to what? Pre-commit install? Is that how this works? Oh, fucking sure. Is that how this works? I don't know. We will run make. You got a trailing white space? No, I don't. There's no trailing white space. It would be bright red if there was trailing white space. It'd be like this. No, there's no trailing white space. Oh, actually, I meant to. Car dealership. I might be purchasing another car. Firefox index. D's nuts, low low. Mabby's pretty dope. I happen to agree. Default. Oh, this is gonna fuck up responsive, isn't it? Oh wait, no, we already fixed this so that it doesn't wrap. Yeah. This will work. It does. Look at that. Responsive. You're still typing when they said it, so you fix it? Oh, I see. Anthong halfway through typing a sentence. Smack my bongo, you didn't even finish typing that sentence? Yeah. Mars says, Anthony, I have a question. I have a device which writes to file data in random time. I have to read that data and process it. How would you address that? How would you test it? Probably use iNotify? I don't know. Is it fetching all those repos? Yes. This does fetch all of these repositories. Admittedly, I think it only grabs the pre-commit config file out of them. And if it doesn't do that, it probably should. Actually, no, it can't do that because it's not just GitHub. Couldn't just use the GitHub API. The Lambo. Yeah, right, Zacian? Anthong 10 Lambo Sedilli. Yeah. Vangtop says, terrible time to buy a new car. It's true. What are you possibly purchasing? I'll just have to be a surprise. Because I don't know when I'm gonna be through the waitlist to get it or not. So like it might come in the next 6 months, might come in a year. I don't know. I've already been on the waitlist for a full year, so it's gonna be a long ass time either way. It's not a Lambo. I'm not getting Lambo. Get an SUV for the plushies. I already have an SUV. I already have my I already have this car, which is technically an SUV. Oh man, I wish I had it in blue. Damn, the blue looks so much better. Fuck. Bummer. I have it in black. Black's pretty nice too, though. GTX 16600 Super. Welcome. Hello. Is it just me or does anyone else feel like it's like time's flying by so fast? Yeah, right, Canyon Jerry's? Man. Why is there a big waitlist for a car? I don't know, it's just a lot of demand. Because the world as we know it has crumbled. Yeah. Yeah. Adflash says you need to get those fat pythons. What? Thank I offer you an accord. How's it going, Bill.this? Hello, hello. Is your startup buying the car? No. Oh, but how you doing, rollers? And outdated version. Hello, hello. I have a pre-order for a Ford Maverick that I don't want. That should be built in the next couple of weeks. If you want it, oh no. Good, good. Okay, so that works. I need to also update the install doc. Commit install. Uh, hmm. Oh, I should put the new in. How did I do that here? New in 2.18.0. Is this actually 1.14? I think that's right. Oh, I'm out of water. I'm gonna go fill up my water. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. You can cancel it. Just requires calling the dealership. Oh no, you have to talk on the phone. Man, talking on the phone sucks. I hope I accidentally built a shelf. What? What? ZBK, hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. How's it going? Sentry, yeah, it's gonna be great. Show water. There you go. You can't really tell anymore. But it's full. I promise. Water is blue? Is it though? Okay. Pregman will preferentially pick tags containing a dot if there are ties. Yes. Pregman install. Default notification installs the hook scripts. Luis Zhang in 2. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Help I accidentally build a shelf as a really old meme? Oh, fucking no. Is Century a big company? No. They are 100-ish engineers. All I can think about was when Anthon built the plushie shelf on stream. I did do that on stream. I don't think I ever posted the VOD of that, but I'm pretty sure I still have it. That'd have been... Oh, I gotta go to my other drive. That'd have been in 2021. Label it. Yeah. 098 bookshelf. A bit of a scuffed stream, yeah. Fucking understatement right there. Hey, look, there's Marsha. Back when you used to host my stream. You don't do that anymore. I don't even know what the... Oh, was that with the Bestigons? Man, the fucking Bestigons. They all jumped off the wall. Yeah, look, carpet on the shelf. I realized in retrospect, you can kind of tell too. Like if you look right here, the back panel of the shelving unit is on backwards. But that's probably because I was also drinking while doing this. Man, those pants are pretty tight. Yeah, but anyway, that was the shelf building. Hey, what's up, sarcastic Dante? Hello, hello. I think I turned off host notification. Really? I don't think I did. I haven't changed anything, so it's off. It's my bad. Century's like 100 years. It's kind of big. Stonefish says, do you have any oatmeal cookies left? Given what you know about me, what do you think the answer is? What do you think the answer is? No, I don't have any cookies left. I ate all of the fucking cookies. I know it's only been 2 days, but they are all gone. I ate all of them because I have zero self-control. This is why I made a half batch. If I would have made a full batch, they would still be gone, but I would be twice as sad. But yes, the cookies are all fucking gone. I've been pressing the host button every time I get here. Huh. Well, I didn't change anything. So, either Twitch or Streamlabs changed something. Awesome Don, hello, hello. How's my little PogChamp's first day of work? Next week. I have not started yet. Next week. But how you doing, Wholesome Dot? Hello, hello. I think you do have some left, but it's a brand new batch. Yeah, I would have to make more. Anthong is a modern day website. He wants all my cookies. Yeah. Evil Gordita says, don't put any cookies in the same room as me, especially if you ever want to eat any. Yeah, the thing is, like, I got up and I was like, oh, I have a nice box of cookies that I made yesterday. And then I had one and I was like, man, those are fucking good. I'm gonna have another one. And then, like, I sneezed and then they were all gone. As a fellow cookie slut, I feel you. Yeah. Yeah. I should probably mention the new option. Why did I use this as the anchor? Oh wait, no, this is the anchor. Oh yes. Okay. Let me highlight this. Thank you. New in 2.18.0. We'll now install hooks from default install hook types if hook type is not specified on the command line. Okay. I think that's good. Documentation updates for pre-commit 2.18.0. We'll just not simply eat one cookie. I mean, I'm sure there's some people out there that have, you know, significantly more self-control than I do. That is, I am not that person. Wish I was, but I am not that person. Oh, big ol' spike here. These nuts says I can't do this anymore. Good night, Uwu. Oh, because Marsha said crumb dumpster. Well, thank you for stopping by. Station says, how long do you think is optimal to stay at a company? Depends where your goal is. If your goal is to have a steady, stable income, as long as you need it. If your goal is to make more money, as short a time period as possible that you can get hired somewhere else and make more money, which is usually 1 year. Trooper says, thoughts on a megaconf? It seems like an okay idea in theory. The maintainers have been like weirdly aggressive about trying to get me to switch to use it, and I'm pretty off put from that. So I can't recommend it. And I'm not going to use it. But like they went in this whole like, you should change pre-commit to use OmegaConf and use this you know, Go module to do your configuring. I'm like, get the fuck out. I did not ask for this. Get your unsolicited advertising out of my issue tracker. TYVM. So I don't know. Can't recommend them. The idea seems alright, but I will not use it. What are you? Oh. Oh, guess it's Ace Attilly time. Frequency I go brr. We're gonna wait for that to generate 50 notifications, and then we'll click on that in a second. Merge the thing that I just made. Okay, so that allows us to check another thing off of our list. Recommit.com. Done. Are they doing some XKCD new standards.jpg stuff? Yeah, exactly. That's precisely what they're doing. Hey, what's up, MMatBTW? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Does anyone actually need OmegaConf? I would hope not. Okay, document linting in Babi, because we never did that for whatever reason. Probably because I was so excited that it worked that I was just like, okay, we done. We done. Time for Babi, indeed, indeed. There's so many config standards, we should make a universal one that fits everyone's needs. Yeah. Jetbot refactor? Yeah. We gotta finish our refactor. I got like 90% of the way through it, and then I realized that something was wrong, and I was like, I'm tired, so I ended stream. I think that was last Monday. Actually, I think what happened is somebody said something shitty to me in an issue tracker, and I was just like, I'm demotivated now. I'm just gonna stop working. But no, we're gonna push through it today. Okay, ReamD, we must document the linting. TBD Control T. Maybe we put this up here. Oh. Okay with the run linter. By default, runs commit run dash dash files. File name. We have, yeah, metati. Navigate to the linting panel. Okay with the, what are all the keyboard shortcuts? Babi HL linters. My coworker wants me to present Babi to my other coworkers. But why? Is it because your coworker is Silly Buttons Day deemed? Yes, okay, that's what I thought. Control T, Control C, Control X. Clear and close the lint panel. KBD escape. I'm gonna fuck up one of these HTML tags, almost certainly. Meta T. Unfocus the uncofus, unfocus, unfocus. Hey, what's up, lambs? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Gura seems interesting. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. My hands are like slightly dry, but at the same time also slightly lubey. It's messing with my typing. Okay, with the Control T. I don't have to do that because it's obviously. Maybe the, do I have an up and down thing that I can paste? Say arrow keys. Yeah. Okay. I think that satisfies this. Okatech plays. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Group says, do you often? I don't know what that first word is supposed to be. Do you often reverse engineer some shit to make something else work? Yeah, if I just ignore this word, it kind of makes sense. Do you often just? Sometimes, yeah. Marsh. Compass. Compass. Compass? Compass. Okay, I don't I don't do compass. But I do compass. Or like kind of a mix between the two. Compass? Fuck. It was a serious question? Hmm. 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 A little sussy there. Compass, is that the Linux thing for the 3D wobbly? Oh no, that's Compiz. Right? Thoughts on Greg Brockman? No fucking idea who they are. Umegalol? Document linting feature. OpenAI guy? I don't know. Umegalol OpenAI. I don't know what that is either. Captain Caveman, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Former CTO of Stripe. Umegalol. I don't know. I don't know who the fuck they are. Clearly not influential enough to me that they matter. Okay, did I fuck up any of these? That one's right. That one's right. This one is right. That one's right. That one's right. Wow, I got them all right? Damn. That's a rarity. Stripe, what's next? Yeah, exactly, right, Anjacosta? Oh, that's a cute emote. Mokatech plays. Okay, I think we can start merging these now that it's been a few minutes. Also, I think I am the last, because I was the first user of Precommit CI, I'm pretty sure I'm the last auto update, which doesn't really make too much sense because it's in Dynamo and the hash key, there's a hash key, so it's scan over hash table shouldn't be sorted, but it appears that it is for some reason. I don't quite know why, but I'm also not going to complain because it usually gives me a good indicator as to when the job is actually done. But do I have enough tabs open? The crazy thing is it's only 2.5 gigs of RAM. And I'm only using, oh, they changed this. I'm only using 30%, 32% of my memories. I'm sweating right now. Yeah. Hey, what's up, LN Media? Hello, hello. How's your weekend? It was good. Slept a lot on Sunday after the 12-hour stream. Can't believe Anthonk was a stripper this whole time. Yeah. You know it. Where do you think those gift subs go to? No. But who was Ram? What? Browsers have gotten less shit. I'm pretty sure it's just because it hasn't actually loaded the panes yet. We got a red one here. Azure pipelines? Why you fucking me? I didn't cancel this. Who said you could cancel this? Log in. Put off screen so that you cannot see when Microsoft shows my fucking phone number in plain text again, as they are wont to do. It's kind of funny. I log into my Microsoft account using GitHub. And so I have to do this whole like fucking dance. Log in. Okay, now that I'm logged in, I should be able to open this and click this button. What? What do you mean? Okay, well, we'll do it the other way that I know will work. Is close, reopen. Twitter found your Azure workflow? What do you mean? Send nude says, why am I using Azure? Because it has better features than GitHub Actions, and otherwise it's equivalent. Did Microsoft ever fix the weird login thing? They did. They did fix the weird basic auth prompt. These notes says we could be phone buddies? Oh, you mean because you could have my phone number? I mean, I've leaked it on stream twice now, 3 times now. Oh, you could already have it. Not that you should. Should respect streamers' privacy rather than getting their phone numbers from accidental leakings. But hey, what's up, Alexa? Welcome back. Hello, hello. Can you leak it again? No, I'm good. I'm good. Congrats on the new role. Thanks. Appreciate it. I didn't see it, therefore I'm not worthy to be your friend. His phone number is 1-800-ANTHONK. Yeah. DJD Duty, welcome back. That is a lot of tabs, yes. Yeah. We're chilling. We're chilling at 30% RAM usage. But now we're going to merge a bunch of them. Alright, I gotta zoom out so I can click buttons. That one's not done. This one is, though. I wonder if memory usage is gonna go up as I merge these. Be kind of interesting to see the graph afterwards. Some of these don't have tests, and so that's why they're already green. But these ones all have tests, so we gotta wait for those ones to finish. That one's gonna have actions. Let's see why. Why are you fucked? Oh, this one's actually failing. Nmake is not recognized as a command. God damn it. Okay, well, we have to actually fix something there. I don't know what nmake is either. Why did they remove it? Grumble, grumble. My assumption is they removed it. What is nmake? Does somebody in chat know what nmake is? Don't mind me just clicking this button a bunch of times. Azure Pipelines was a bit faster today. I'm surprised by that. Anthony from Kidder! Hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. I'm not going to shout myself out. There we go. How you doing, Raiders? My name is also Anthony. I write the code. My name is Anthony. I primarily work on Python open source software. Some of the things that I maintain that you may have heard of are PyTest, Flake8, Precommit, PyFlakes, Dead Snakes, Talks, and a whole bunch of other stuff as well. Today we are working on a bunch of open source software. I'm currently merging about 50 PRs from my startup. See the graph here. It's 0. Oh, did I just not click refresh here? Yeah. So, this is the auto update, which happens once a while. New job at Sentry. Indeed, indeed. I am starting at Sentry in 1 week, which will be awesome. He's the real Anthony. But how you doing? How was your stream? What were you working on? You're almost always working on the same thing, which it's been a while since I've said hi. That I have forgotten what your main project is. Other than Kidder, I know about Kidder, which is the like stream overlay thing. Are you working on anything else? But how was your stream today? What were you doing? What were you up to? Okay, let's see what the memory did. Nothing. Wow. I'm surprised. Surprised given all these tabs? I guess we don't have any Angular websites open. Let's see official. Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Also, I missed a bunch of chat. Let me check on chat. Hey. Linger, welcome, welcome. You're going to go for Sentry. It's true, it's true. He's going to be one of the sentries. He has to stand in the castle ramparts, staring off into the distance with his binoculars, yes. Implemented this sentry we use in our company for about 4 or 5 years. Nice, yeah, it should be pretty good. How many PR merges before it OMs? Well, at this rate, I think I would need a couple hundred. OM is out of mana. And make is just make misspelled, yeah. Why is the text tiny? So that the button is on the screen without me having to scroll down. Here, I'll put it back to the normal view. Squugs, hello, hello. And H Jauko, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Make for Windows? Some weird make for? The Microsoft Program Maintenance Utility is a command line tool included with Visual Studio. Something tells me it's not there anymore. Google says it's Microsoft Make utility with VS Code. Oh. And Otzi Official, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. And Zarexar, welcome, welcome. Doing a massive migration from Mongo to Postgres. Whoa. Man, those are always a fucking pain in the ass. Gotta go get food. Sounds good. Thank you for the raid again, and I'll see you around in the future. Have a good num num nums. I'm just looking at Century for something for my company. That's pretty cool. Nice. This song loops. Well, maybe it doesn't. No, the song's just long. Okay. You don't have any runtime monitoring, just log aggregation. Ah, I see. Cool. Oh, I closed Twitch chat. That's not what I wanted to do. God damn it. I meant to close this tab. But yeah, I need this zoomed out so that I can click these buttons. So don't mind me while this is slightly small. And we do have to figure out how to fix the red one. Okay, that one was green after retry. Good, good. Can do these ones. Didn't make the window small enough, so I still had to scroll down. This one is still running for some reason. I bet that one's stuck, I had to guess. Help me, Anthong song. I'm stuck. Those are done. That Azure pipelines? Yes. But Freaking CI is what we're looking at today. Uncheck you. Uncheck you. Never not. Hello, hello. Whoa, that gets, well, you would get a fancy new badge, except you have the founder's badge at 18 months. Holy shit, dude. How you doing? Are you gonna be at PyCon? I'm actually going. After all. It's good to see you again. I know we hung out last time I was at PyCon. I want to start contributing to GitHub repos, but I don't know what to do. Can you suggest me anything? Yeah, of course. Marsha's faster than I am. Check out this video with my advice there. Beer can slice, welcome back. Hello, hello. Oturi GG. Hello, hello. Is that Anthony? It is indeed. I'll be there. Need to present PEP 660. Oh shit, you're presenting? Nice, nice. Congrats. That'll be cool. That'll be cool. Well, hopefully I see you there. I'm not doing any talks this year, unless I do lightning talks, which I'm going to try and do some lightning talks, but we'll see what happens there. We use GitHub Actions, but there's no form of release automation to be found, so it's still manual to update our manifests with the image version tags. There is a thing for there's a thing for GitHub Actions which bumps the versions, but I don't know whether that's is he writing code? I'm trying to write code today. We're in the middle of well, right now I'm clicking buttons in the GitHub UI, which is not exactly writing code, but it's close. And we can merge that. We need to figure out how to fix this. It's gonna be a pain. Let me put the text size back to bigger. Shirley, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Did you come a day early or are you staying for the sprints? Let me see what days I will be there. I am not staying for the sprints again. Is flight detail. I think I'm getting there a day earlier and leaving a day late. Yeah, I arrive the 27th and I leave the 2nd. And I think the conference, the talks are the 29th to the 1st. So I will at least be a few days early and hopefully have some time to hang out and not just run around and be crazy. And pip 660, that's the editable TOML installs? Yeah. Cool. Are you talking about PyCon my balls? Yeah. Well, the same. Nice, nice. Flex GitOps used to have a thing that would check your image repo for new tags. Oh. Be the pipeline's responsibility, not Flux. Oh, interesting. I was pretty sure that Dependabot had a thing for that, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. All right, we got to figure out why nmake is suddenly gone. Get clone, GitHub. I'm actually kind of glad that pre-commit auto update forces me to make sure that my repos still build. I mean, I used to use like nightly builds for the same thing, but now pre-commit CI does it once a week, which is good enough for me, or once every couple of weeks, I guess. Git grep and make. Well, that's we're off to a good start there. Make win.bat. Oh, my guess is that this VC vars all is just not there. Visual Studio 14. I probably just have to bump the version number. But I don't know where the rest of the output of the script is. Azure Pipelines, Windows 2022. Probably just tell me what Visual Studio versions are available. Whole list of differences. This is the one I want. Yes. VC vars. Oh, Visual Studio. There it is, I guess. Whiskey Hughes, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I wonder when will GitHub notifications be split between manual and automatic trigger content? Oh yeah, that would be kind of cool. Yeah, it should know because I mean there's information in the API for it. Like pre-commit picks up on whether it's a bot or not, so presumably something else could do that. Will you be working remotely? Yes, I'll be working remotely. So I'm not moving. I'm still still gonna be remote. But yeah, it's gonna be really cool. I'm building out a developer productivity organization, which doesn't exactly exist right now. K2, is that Kent? Kent 23. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Will you be working remotely? I don't think I have any Wiimotes anymore. I think about it. That is the path. What does this look like here? Blah. Well, do I just guess that this is the right path and see if it works? We could try plugging it in. Visual Studio 2022 VC vars all.bat. Where are you at? So 2022 Enterprise. Oh, it's finally 32-bit. Okay, in theory, this is the one we want. Dollar Arch. Okay, let's try that and see if that works. That's not the right branch name. Update path of VC vars all.bat. How many developers does Sentry have? Right around 100. I think it's like 110, 115-ish. Imperial Q says, developer productivity org sounds like something most of the companies I've worked at could have used. Yeah, I was talking to the founder and he's like, yeah, we're about the size where we're starting to think about oh, did that say community? Shit. Good call, good call, good call, Jarunk. Thank you for that. Right. Thank you, thank you. But yeah, they were like, yeah, we're starting to feel the pains of not having this. So 6. No, they just have like 6 icons there. Unless this is from like, yeah, this is just their like C-suite. But David is the person I know. I've also been speaking a lot with Vlad. But yeah, I think they have more than 15 people. I think I have slightly more than 15 people. Have you negotiated promo codes? I know nothing about that. Did somebody say Arch? Yeah. Good luck. Thank you. Thank you. I don't think I'll need luck, but Ungrain says cool keyboard. Thanks. Vlad is such a sweet name. Yeah. Vlad the Impaler. Oh no. Are you hiring Tony? Who's Tony? I don't know anybody named Tony that I'd be hiring. Okay. Let's see if you are going to succeed. Alright, I'm going to be queued behind everything else. Current position in the queue, 48. So I gotta wait a little bit to see if that works. But hopefully it will. Hopefully it will. I know, D-Dolls, but I'm fucking trolling. Okay, let me have a little acting here. Are you hiring? I will be at some point, yeah. I don't have any information about that yet, but yes, it can't just be me, so there will be some hiring afoot. All right, cool. Now this is done, we can take a look at everything. This big spike is probably me. I had to guess. You're using the dot on GitHub repos. Oh, the new command panel. I don't like it. I think it's kind of dumb. I don't really have a use for it. Oh god, I didn't want to do that. The web editor thing. Yeah, no, fuck that. I thought you were talking about the command panel. In Whiplash, accent says voice, you're acting as shit. Yeah. He doesn't like being called Tony. No, my name's Anthony. Not Tony writes code. It's Anthony writes code. Tony is my drunk alter ego. Hey, what's up, time traveler? Hello, hello. Anthony, yeah. If I let that one slide. There's some people's accents just don't let them don't have a sound. You know. You do not give off Tony vibes. Well, wait until you see me drunk, Qualsy. Then we can give off some Tony vibes. What should I contribute in the Java ecosystem, not Python? Whatever you want to do. If you can tell, did Sentry reach out to you, or did you find the open position? So, yeah, I can talk about this. David reached out to me in like September of last year, and he's like, hey, do you have any recommendations for people that would be good for developer productivity organization? And I was like, I don't know anybody personally that is looking right now, but I'll let you know if I find someone. Kind of not taking the hint. And then some stuff that we'll learn about in tomorrow's YouTube video, or Wednesday's YouTube video, went down, and I was like, hey, I think I found somebody that would be a good fit for your developer productivity organization. It's me. And he's like, oh, thank God, I was hoping you would say that. And then I went through the, normal hiring process from there. Tony backwards is why not? Interesting. Some countries have Antonies. Yeah. You go through your code from 10 years ago and do a code review. Let's see if I can find something from 10 years ago. Yeah, I can probably do that. See, that would have been 2012. I would have been in school. Let's see if we have something from 2012. Epic comeback? Yeah, exactly. Let's see. Type private. And we go way, way back. This might have been 2012. No, this would be 2013. That's 9 years ago. Does that help? This is C++. Welp, I fucked up. Good commit message. Good commit message me. This would have been 2012. So this is like project work in C++. Farm.cbp. Oh boy. Here's my queue. I think I would still write this code the same way today. I don't think any of this is actually terrible. I didn't have a code formatter, so I formatted it all myself, but this code's a little different. Huh. I had both a abstract base class templates. I don't think they taught us about templates. I think I was just like, I'm gonna write this with templates because I can. Here's the array version. Oh, I do have an array version. Huh. This is for decent balance. Timing showed this was a good compromise between large and small maps. Huh. I profiled shit? There's no way that I needed profiling for fucking project 1. I don't know. C++ 03? Yeah. This was 03. C++ 11 is pretty nice. But it wasn't available in the compilers at the time. So I don't think I have any Python from that era. Maybe I do? Yeah, I do have some. We can find AutoGrader. Skip over that repo. That'll have Python code. Grader? Yeah. Why does it say that I committed 11 days ago? Did I change the default branch 11 days ago? I did? Yeah, I changed the default branch. Weird. Okay. Some of this code's pretty awful. I made a meta class because I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. I had a inheritance hierarchy. Automatically sets up some nice things. I mean, admittedly, the structure of this was kind of alright. You know, it's opt parse. This was, I had to target Python 2.4. Do that anymore. Single quoted doc strings is a little bit weird. At least I knew to use snake case here. Some of my older Python did not have this. This is a huge hack. Python easier than C++? Yeah, I think so. What's a Queue? A what? A what? Python wasn't invented yet. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Pythonic Panda? Hello. I just registered here to ask if that knob in the middle is a mouse, and if yes, what is it called? Yeah. Rip. What real Python developer didn't simply Unicode stir e errors equals ignore? Yeah, right. Also, I would not have put this blank line here anymore. Other than that, I don't know that I would really change too much of this. I'd get rid of the meta class because there's no reason for meta class. Other than that, it's like fairly okay. I would probably have used a structured type here rather than random JSON. Although, I guess that was how we regenerated and regraded stuff. But I don't know. Not terrible, I guess. What does the meta class actually do? Project meta. Oh, it's just as validation. I remember now. Validation. Sort those suckers by ID. Cool. Yeah, real great comment. Admittedly, this comment was for someone else. It wasn't for me. Roll set at her. This should have been a property. Both of these should have been properties. There's no reason for these to be a meta class. Oh well. I wanted to use fancy shit, so I did it back then. Oh, a Q is the Quewe. Okay, I see. You want to obfuscate your code a bit to make it harder for people to copy meta classes that are really good. Yeah, that's true. That's true. You want to mindfuck? Use a meta class. Oh, fast. Hey, cool. Thank goodness for the Stack Overflow. Oh, it's probably building something from source because this is the 32-bit build. Oh, it's a 64-bit build. That's weird. I wonder what it built from source. I don't actually care, but I wonder. Hey, it's a Mahamdi. Hello, hello. Does one always write functions instead of lambdas? For the most part. Yeah, always no. Yeah, anytime there's a always question, usually the answer is no. There's always exceptions to the rules. Yeah, for like short inline things, lambdas make sense, but usually I'll write functions for stuff. Makes debugging way easier, and you get better stack traces and a whole bunch of other stuff as well. You always wake up to start your day? Is this like a Anthony Sleepwalks reference? Because I do. Is that what you're asking? The craziest thing I've done sleepwalking, I can actually show you. Because it's 370? The first project, we had to, for extra credit, we had to write a multiplier in this really low level assembly. Did I keep the spec? Yeah, here's the spec. We had this low level assembly which had add, NAND, load word, store word, branch if equal, and function call, and halt and no op. Those are all the opcodes that we had. And we had to implement a multiplier. I had scribbled this out on a napkin while I was asleep. Next to my bed. I don't remember writing any of this. But you know, plugged it in. I had to adjust a few of the opcodes, but fucking worked. It's a bit shifting multiplier. You always pet your plushies before leaving the room? Sometimes I'll give Noodle a little poke. Do you always boop the snoot? Yeah, this shit's fucking wild. Am I a wizard? When I woke up and found this and I was like, man, if this shit works, I felt like a fucking wizard. Do I ever get imposter syndrome? Yeah, all the time. Should I? Probably not, but I do. But the other crazy thing about this is there was a competition to get the shortest code and the least number of opcodes executed. And mine was both the shortest code and the least number of opcodes executed. So I won both of the competitions. You should give everyone else imposter syndrome. But anyway, you put the numbers to multiply down here, and program goes brr. But yeah, anyway, that's the wildest thing I've done while sleepwalking. Did you get scouted after school, or what did you? I had an internship, and then I just worked at the same place I had an internship at. Much easier than going through another recruitment cycle. And then I worked there for 5 years at Yelp, which is way too fucking long. Don't work at a company for 5 years. Just a bad idea. Okay, but this seems to have fixed that, so that's good. So now we can actually take a look at auto update day. This was GitHub being down. That's why this spiked up and stayed high. And this is Dependabot. A little bit smaller of a Dependabot bump than we usually get, but still one nonetheless. And looks like it is scaled down to not scaled. I want to ask if you sleep naked, but it would be weird. So you're asking without asking is what you're saying, Marsha. I don't sleep completely naked, but almost. I'm not asking. Delicate says, I'm in my current company for 5.5 years. You may want to find another job so that you can make more money. Unless you're happy where you are, which is entirely possible. But yeah. Reminds me when I was in a health data analytics course and we had to analyze tweets for medications. We took 1,000 of the 2 million provided to do self-analysis, then built an ML classifier based on word analysis. Create the remaining 2 million minus 1,000. Our professor counted us off even though we had the highest percentage correct because you might have included curated tweets in your analysis. What? It sucks. Winnie the Pooh's it? I don't wear a shirt if that helps you. If I put on socks, sometimes if I'm cold I'll put on socks. Nav says, do you code imply or dot or FDL? None of the three. Okay, but anyway, this seems fine. This is a little unfortunate, and it'll probably show up as a spike in... Oh, they changed this. Is it just that my window is too narrow? Nope. God, I hate when they do this. Literally, why? I bet if I refresh it, collapses too. Oh, it stays. Okay, never mind. That's fine. Okay. You are forgiven, AWS console. We look at this. We will see. Period 1 minute. Go back to 12 hours. What is going on here? Shit's glitchy. Yeah, this is the elevated queue times. Makes sense. And we do see requeue counts in there as well. Oh, yeah, GitHub was having a laugh, I guess. Logan says, what do you think about joining a startup where they can't pay high salaries but will give you equity in return? It's a gamble. There's some worlds where your startup becomes extremely successful and that equity pays out way more. And then there's most of the worlds where yeah, does not pay out. Yeah, a 15-minute delay was pretty bad. But it wasn't really my fault. GitHub being shit. Someone asked if you code. I thought someone asked if you code in FTL. Yeah. Verax, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. He does type pretty damn fast. I do. But wait. What was that in reference to? I've smarter childed myself again. Oh, the menu is closed again. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Stupid AWS console. But yeah, it was only that way for 3 minutes. So probably affected one user. So not a huge deal. And it might have been their fault too. It might have been one of their slow repos. Okay. That looks fine. Let's take a look at how many runs we are up to. Varak says, hey Anthony, hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. Indeed, hopefully you're doing well as well. Most startups just flop over and die horribly. Yeah. Leaving everyone psychologically scarred. Yeah. So anyway, how's pre-commit doing? It hasn't flopped over and died horribly, so that's good. FTL isn't fast and light. Yeah, it's also a game. You type fast, but not that fast. Okay, that makes sense. Makes sense. I understand the context now. Perfect. All right, how many runs are we up to? I also need to figure out how to prune this table at some point. 580,000. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's kind of nuts. Pretty cool though. Big number. Big number, go bigger. What else do we look at? Oh, we also look at installs, so we can see how many users we're at. 1,200. Oh. 580,000? No, it's 580,000 runs have occurred. What did I miss? Nothing really. We merged a bunch of PRs. We fixed Windows. We have done this now. And now we're going to implement navigate to next error. Ooh. I want a keyboard shortcut to jump around in errors. I wonder what, oops. Print anyway. Like, can I do this? Oh, yeah, we can use that keyboard. Control Shift up and Control Shift down. I think we're gonna do that. Installs equals users or repos? Installs is users, so either an organization or an individual account. He fixed Windows. Yeah, I fixed all of Windows. Yep, Windows is fixed, guys. I did it. It was all me. I have YouTube comments to read. Jay's video popped off, which is kind of cool. A lot of my videos recently have been getting, 1,000+ views, which I'm excited about. Looks like no algorithm bump, but more views than I usually get. That's kind of cool. Comments. I'm a command inside shell script is not working. What do you mean by not working? I hate when people do this. It's not working, but what do you mean? I apparently looked at the other one already. Not working is not a bug report. I just put that on a t-shirt. You're famous now, yeah. Too bad like half your tips don't work on Mac. Well, you just switch control for command. Which one doesn't work on Mac? I feel like they all should. Except for Control Shift U, because that one's GNOME specific. Like that'll work. This'll work. That'll work. This'll work. That'll work. This will work. That'll work. That'll work. That'll work. This is the only one that doesn't work on Mac. Alt dot didn't? Really? Are you in VI mode? Maybe? Oh, you know what it is? Oh, this is new. They have table of contents here. Oh. You know what it probably is? There's a setting in the default terminal.app that has a thing. There's technically no alt key. Alright, it's option dot on a Mac. Because Macs are special, yeah. Macs are stupid. Okay, how do I want to do this? My alt key says alt on it. One doesn't work, DDoS claims half don't work. Sounds right. Yeah. Yeah. Also, we learned that this module is going away, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix this. Probably need one of these hacks. for Python 3.11. So Babi probably makes a deprecation warning in 3.11 right now, which sucks, but that's things go, I guess. They aren't resurrecting it for you. It was not documented, so it goes away. um. Oh, I have to do this as well. Oh wait, I already have them in here. No, I don't. I don't have A, B in here as well. I need to add those. A, B, this should be K up and K down. K, K up 5. K down 5, lands down. I thought this was open source, yeah. Escape dot instead of bang dollar. Yeah, I go over that in the video, Pythonic Panda. Escape dot and alt dot are the same thing. So alt dot is the same as escape dot. They're literally the same. The terminal sees them exactly the same. The terminal sees them as this character sequence. In fact, control square bracket dot is also the same thing. They are all the same thing. This control square bracket is the same as escape. So if you're in Vim, and you're in insert mode, if you do control square bracket, that's the same as pressing escape. It's pronounced squacket. It's true. It's true. If you don't want to reach for the escape key, you can do control square bracket, control squacket. I think you can also do alt colon. No. Huh. Surprised that doesn't work. Oh, because there has to be shift. That'd be alt semicolon. Oh yeah, you can do that. So you can do alt shift colon WQ. Or Q. Some of that stuff is rather annoying for ISO EU keyboard layouts. Yeah, makes sense, makes sense. You can always rebind stuff though. Oh, this was supposed to be K up 6. Not 5. What's up 5? Yeah. Just be American, yeah, easy fix. Alt plus colon gives me you with an accent. I don't know what to tell you there. Barzoon, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. No you with an accent, yeah. So now, in theory, if I do this, Yay! It crash. Oops. So that works, but this should jump to it, so we need to actually implement the things for it. Babi HL. Lint errors. Hey, what's up, Torfun? Wait, no, I've already said hi to you. Welcome back. I always have an accent, that's funny. For me, it gives ellipsis character. Oh, interesting. These nuts with the olo? Olo with eyebrows? So, hmm. Hmm. How do I want to do this? Def up self to none. This. Oh, this needs dim, doesn't it? Yes. Dim, dim. Oh, you don't need dim. Why do you not need dim? You need dim. Wormus, I already said hi to you as well. Well, that's true. How's it going? I made 100 Reddit accounts today to put a tiny 10 by 10 logo of my university on our slash place. Oh no. Apparently there have been like several million Reddit accounts being created in the last couple days. On topic of mapping towards more sane layout, this is something I've been meaning to give a try at some point. This? Keyboard layout? Oh. Oh. What? What? Okay, cool. Nifty. Ah, you're back. I see, I see. Welcome back, Ormus. We're doing Babby now? Yes, we are indeed working on Babby now. Okay, you don't actually use dim, so no dim for you. Screen.layout.lint errors. Oh, except you don't use it. Self.layout.lint errors. Stungfesh says, I'm back, but I never left. Barzun says, what are you coding? So you see this text editor that I'm using right now? We are working on the text editor with the text editor. Specifically, I'm making a keyboard shortcut to jump to lint errors, because there isn't one right now. Oh, this isn't actually what I want to do. Sam Sepiel, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I actually want to jump to the next not disabled lint error. Hmm. What's a text editor? Is it an ID that doesn't help you out? Yeah. I actually just thought of something that I'm pretty sure is bugged. Pretty sure if we open the lint panel and navigate to it, and then shrink down the screen, and then press the arrow keys. That it just like glitches out. A little bit buggy. I bet if I do this. I'm actually surprised it doesn't crash. Maybe it's okay. It should be crashing, but it's not. Oh well. Anyway. Not terrible, it's not great though. Why not display a buffer with all the linting errors? I mean, that's kind of what it does, but not precisely. We tried that. That was actually the original implementation, was reusing my screen buffer, but then it did not work out at all. Hey, what's up, Spaceberry? Hello, hello. What you doing? Working on my text editor. The lint panel looks better than the last time I saw it. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, so this isn't quite what I wanted to do. I think what I wanted to do is go up until it finds a previous error. We'll call these different. Do this instead. Chill music? Yeah. Yeah. This is the current song if you want to check it out. Previous error, lint, next error. Yell at me, my pie. Oh, my pie's actually okay. All right. While self.y while self.y is jungle pup color theme. Jungle pup. Neat, neat. That's actually kind of a nice theme. While self.y is greater than or equal to 0, is greater than 0, and notification. Oh, you made this theme. Oh, neat. That's cool. That's cool. Some good colors. Oh god, how do I represent this? I basically want to find the y that is less than mine. That is greater than or equal to 0 and not disabled. Oh, while it is disabled, we want to y minus equals 1. We want to do while self.y does not equal y, self.up. That's what I want to do. I want to do the other thing in the opposite direction. So while y is less than len self.errors minus 1. What if this is 0? What if this is 0? Then this will be negative 1. Ah! Ah, there's so many off by ones. I hate it. Can't you reuse the code from finding text? No. No, it doesn't really help. Pretty different than what this is doing. I guess we can just say if self.y is equal to 0, return. Y equals self.y minus 1. If self.errors y dot disabled, return. Forkest. If self okay, to set it back to false. After one draw loop, we'll set it to false. Okay, I think that's right. If self.y is greater than or equal to len self.errors minus 1, burn. So we're at the last error. Plus 1. Oh, yeah. And that should, in theory, implement the feature. Oh, this is the not broken one. Right, broke the car while I was driving. uh clogged. Okay. Oh, wait. No, I had it right. Why didn't it work? Okay, so the panel moves, but the position does not. This should also... Oh, we need screen. Fuck. Silvercross, thank you for the follow. And if I missed Carlos, thank you as well for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Screen and error. We need to pass in screen, don't we? Screen. This needs to be screen.layout.lint errors. Yeah, that's. This needs screen as well. Screen. This ain't a screen, it's a. So. What does MyPy have to say? Oh, MyPy's okay with it. This ain't a screen, it's a goddamn monitor. Oh. Oh, it does work. Kind of. Oh no, it totally doesn't work. Oh, we don't even need to do this shit. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I was thinking about this wrong. We just need to find the lint error that is just above or just below our current line position. Yeah. Okay. So I wrote all this wacky fucking logic for no reason. Cool. I could probably bisect to do it fast, but hopefully the number of lint errors in a file is not tens of thousands where this iteration speed actually matters. Okay, but I'm gonna go fill up my water and then we will heck on that. So I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. First bunch of yolks. Oh, I'm about to pass Juicebox Hero in top 10 chat. Look at that. Lars Gyre, hello, hello. Urbanized Squid, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Will guide beyond PyCon. What do you mean static public void mean? What are you talking about, buddy? What do you mean? Well, Guido. Oh, I don't know. I don't really care. I mean, I'm sure he'll be there. He's been at every single one of them. Doubt he's speaking. It's not really his forte. uh, your keyboard is split. Is it that much better? I don't really. I mean, personally, I don't really care about split keyboards. I just think it looks cool for stream. But for some people, it really helps with ergonomics. I don't struggle with ergonomics issues. Whoa, the color of this looks way different on stream. Does this look like green to you guys? For me, it just looks black. But on stream, it seems to look very, very green. It's green? Oh. Interesting. I'd call it teal. It just looks black on my screen. Country Club Grass Green. Oh, that was almost a real bad tongue twister. It looks like my name. It's a little bit different than this, though. Like, it's very different from that. I don't know. Oh, wait, I have flux. Everything looks weird? Welcome, Mr. Watermeal. Hello, hello. Okay, how do I actually want to do this? I need to find the current buffer position and navigate based on that. Position equals... screen.buff.y plus 1 and screen.buff.x plus 1. Yes? Yes. Pause y equals screen.buff.y. To find the previous error, we need to find something that is less than or equal to that. Lily, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Looks like chalk green, like a green chalkboard. Yeah, I can see that. Color picker says it's 2016 black. What are we building here? We are working on the text editor that you see on screen right now. We are making it so that I can navigate to lint errors by pressing these buttons. Like in theory, I should be able to be here and press Control Shift up, and it should take me to this line. It's not working right now because it's a little bit buggy. So we're going to work on that. We're building the editor with the editor. Yes, we are working on the car while it's driving. Which means that it breaks occasionally while we're driving it. But that's the way things go. For error in errors. How do I want to do this? That's gonna be an index out of bounds. If not errors, return. We're gonna need this for both of them. Probably do some crazy functional programming bullshit to make this. rid of that. Okay, so we need to search for the one right before the current position. If error error dot line no error dot call offset. Screet. If this is greater than or equal to pause, do one call. It's gonna make it hard on the phone. Probably gonna need a type annotation there. If this is greater than pause, then break. Otherwise, we need to navigate to. Oh, wait. That's not how this works. Actually, let's do this. Y equals do this. The fuck are babbies? The text editor is called Babby. Where do babbies come from? Yeah. I'd like to request a function to mark a line as moving rainbow colored. What? What do you mean? I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you're talking about. Explain. Explain! Green dot layout dot lint errors. And I think we just need to do. Oh, except this is y equals -1. Instead of the color being a static color, it constantly updates to a new color from the rainbow. Okay. How did we do this before? CD Babby themes. Like this? Is this what you wanted, Lars? Mistat, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Was Python your first language? No. Very much not my first language. What if we set this at 1 second so it's a little less, is this what you wanted? Wanted this. Oh, this is impossible. It has to be in the terminal. Can't render graphics. That wouldn't work. But anyway, this cycles through everything. That'll put it back to the one that was done by Color Marku. Okay, next error. And Lars Star, thank you for the follow. Addison, hello, hello, welcome back. Going backwards is annoying. Can I do... I can't do a reverse enumerate, can I? How is this gonna work? Is there enumerate backwards? Enumerate backwards Python. Does enumerate take 3 arguments? No. It does? Press X to fucking doubt. Takes 2 arguments, but not 3. But we can still do this. We can do enumerate reversed. But I is not super helpful here. How to activate the blue light under your Twitch logo? You did it! Gross. What's the opposite of previous? But like this form. No following errors, no after errors, no next errors. I mean, no next errors is like equivalent but wrong. How do I flip this Twitch logo upside down? Like that? It's a busy light. Hello, hello. And this is how you flip it back. Oh, fancy. Hmm. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, if y is greater than self dot y, we actually just do while y is greater than self dot y, self dot up. No, this is backwards. I think that works. Green has an attribute buff. Indeed, it does not. Lint? Then jump to lint error? It doesn't work when you're at a current one. Pretty slick though, it's pretty close to what we want. Zip ranged len, -1, -1, -1. Yeah, fuck that. That sounds awful. I was thinking of list comprehension of ::1. Yeah, that's gonna give me the wrong thing. Subsequent. Oh yeah. Subsequent is what. Yes, thank you. That is the word that I was looking for. Thank you. As a Python dev, do you have a smart home? No. I have the smartest device I have is this. My cellular telephonic device. I have smart features on my car that I have not enabled. I have technically 2 smart lights, but I don't run them as smart lights. I run them with a remote control. Do not give them access to the internet. I have a smart TV that I have not hooked up to Wi-Fi. I don't trust fucking anything in my house. Okay, I think I want to change this to less than or equal to and this to greater than or equal to, and then that'll fix my little thing there. Oops. I'm a dev under a rock? I wouldn't call it that. I just do not trust random network connected, written by programmers devices. I've written code and I know all code is fucking shit. Oh, this feature is so nice. Exactly what I want. It's a little bit weird that it unhighlights when it goes past the end, but they made my dumb TV a smart TV with the Amazon Fire Stick. How's it going, Deckle Hunt? Good to see you again. Deckle Hunt. Good to see you again. The more techie people are, the less they seem to like the smart stuff. Yeah, well, once you realize what it can do, and what it does. I mean, smart devices nowadays are just advertising devices. Like, I don't need a smart TV at all. I would much rather load up YouTube on my laptop and plug in an HDMI cable than have the YouTube app on my TV. I would much rather search Amazon for things that I want to buy than be like, hey Alexa, listen to my entire fucking life. Untied Soul, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. You have smart devices, hide them on a guest network, but that doesn't necessarily air gap them. There are some, I'm sure there's some ways to go from a guest network to a not guest network. They're already in the house. Plus, that doesn't protect you against everything. Like, I don't really want Amazon and Google to know every word that I speak out loud, you know? Light bulbs I control at Zigbee, but hells to the no am I connecting to the internet? Yeah. DV Music, hello, hello, welcome back. Thank you, appreciate it. Okay, so this implements what I want. I guess now I just have to write tests for it. I'm also kind of hungry. This might be a shorter stream today. This song's looping. It's driving me nuts. Next. Wait, what do you mean no data report? Oh, I forgot combine. Coverage combine. People shouldn't be gifting people a smart device, in my opinion. My cousin bought my mom and dad an Echo and I didn't want to set it up. Yeah. Back in my day, when people said the walls have ears, they meant people. Nowadays, when they say it, it's because of the bugs in our technology. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty true. Pretty true. Okay, so unsurprisingly, the new code we added is not covered. Um, actually, I did want to fix that one little quirk, which is that when you're at the first one, it unhighlights it. Which I think we can do by doing this. Well, no. We can do yeah, I kind of want to make a dot pause there. Did I already do that? No. Let's try that. That do what I want? No? Why not? Why the fuck not? We'll raise ass and see what it does. Oh, I know why. Well, no, I don't know why. Oh. I know why, and my pie would have told me why as well. No? You smoking my pie? This variable doesn't exist. Fucking my pie. I trusted you and you lambasted me. Okay, now it should work. Sick, fucking sick. So good. Oh, commonvoice.mozilla.org. I feel like everyone is just like trying to make their own tech to this isn't really, yeah, no, this is just an API. But I also think like everyone is trying to make their own so that they can control more of the marketplace, essentially. Roller says, I hate how every app on my phone wants location data that has nothing to do with location. Yeah. At least on the Android, you can like say, you can pick which permissions they get, usually. Oh yeah, imagine if your name is Alexa. That'd fucking suck. Card didn't say Alexa tea Earl Grey hot. Yeah, you can change most of them to be like computer or whatever. Do a quick monkey time. How fast are you timing? There's a type racer channel points redeem if you want to do that. Okay, this works how I want it to work. Now to test it. Hunger is setting in. Lack of motivation is setting in. Must complete. Which I think we're gonna leave this for next time. Partially done. Work in progress. We'll finish this next time. Maybe tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. Because I'm hungry and I want to eat some food. And that's just how it's gonna be. What's your mental process for working out how to test this kind of thing? My tests literally spin up the editor and play around with it. So you can see, I'll show you another example that's very similar to this. So this was a bug. Test relint reduces number of errors. This was the original errors. I made sure there were 2 on line 1 and 1 on line 2. This was the file contents. Then I run the editor. I press keys with it, wait for text to appear. Navigate into the linting panel, press down twice. Then I decrease the number of lint errors, relint, and make sure that it doesn't crash. So it basically just runs the actual editor. This run function actually has 2 implementations. One of them spins up tmux in the background. Basically spins up tmux and then interacts with it with subprocess. Tmux send keys t.py, tmux send keys enter, tmux send keys control t, tmux send keys. I don't know how I'm gonna do control shift t though. Shift control down. It's not a character. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna press that key combo. I think there's a way to do it, but I also don't know. What you gonna eat? I don't know. I'm gonna make something. How dare you have needs? Yeah. But yeah, I'm basically just gonna interact with the text editor like that, and assert stuff that happens. I started testing the Shelly relays. I don't know what that is. The cloud feature can be turned off. Then you can use MQTT or REST to collect info and control devices. That sounds like a lot of work. Anyway, that is going to wrap us up for today, and we will continue working on this tomorrow. My name is Anthony. Oh, that's the wrong one that I wanted. I didn't want to do that. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So check out that content there, subscribe, etc. I also upload my stream VODs to my second channel, which is here, or in the link that DDELSP has just helpfully placed into Twitch chat for you. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. However, this week I don't have work, so I will probably be streaming earlier during the day. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I announce what I'm going to work on, and then we work on it. I also announce on the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. It's a nice little community. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask programming questions, and a bunch of smart people that can answer those as well. There's also a bunch of fun social channels as well, if you want to check that out. But thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.